Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of technology, tools, and frameworks shaping our digital landscape. I'm your host, and today we're spotlighting a game changer in UI testing, Maestro. Now, if you've ever dabbled with mobile or web applications, you know how tricky UI testing can be, and that's where Maestro steps in. It's being hailed as one of the simplest and most effective frameworks out there. So, what makes Maestro stand out from the crowd? First off, let's talk about its roots. Maestro was built on learnings from established frameworks like Appium, Espresso, UI Automator, and XCTest. You could think of it as the result of a tech-loving family tree. What this means for developers is that much of the guesswork has already been paved over with prior experiences. Definitely a huge time saver. Now, one of the coolest features of Maestro is its built-in tolerance to flakiness. If you've ever executed tests and had them fail because UI elements weren't where you expected, you'll know how frustrating that can be. Maestro embraces the chaos of mobile apps, which is refreshing, right? It's like that friend who always has your back, even when plans go awry. Moreover, it shows a remarkable tolerance to delays. Forget those annoying sleep calls that clog your tests. Maestro automatically waits for content to load, just long enough, but not a second longer. It's like an attentive waiter who knows when to refill your drink without hovering too much. How awesome is that for streamlining your workflow? Speaking of speed, let's not forget about iteration. Maestro allows for blazingly fast iterations. It interprets tests, so there's no compiling, making it super easy to monitor your test files and rerun them instantly as changes occur. Imagine the time you'd save in your testing cycle. Now let's dive into the syntax a bit. Maestro uses a declarative yet powerful syntax defined in a YAML file. For those who might be new to coding or find syntax daunting, YAML's readability is a breath of fresh air. You can set up your tests quickly without getting lost in the weeds. And setup? Easy peasy. Maestro is simply a single binary that works anywhere. That's right, plug and play, folks. For those keen to explore more, resources and documentation are readily available. You can find them at docs.maestro.dev. And if you're looking to join a community, Maestro has a public Slack channel inviting everyone to jump in and share their experiences, which is pretty great for building connections and learning from others. Now, I want to touch on something that I find particularly inspiring. Maestro is an open source project. That means it thrives on community contributions. If you're a developer looking to make an impact, they welcome contributions with open arms. You can start by checking out the Good First Issue label on their GitHub page and dive right in. Before we wrap up today's episode, let's reflect a bit. In the fast-paced, ever-evolving world of tech, having tools that not only support, but actually understand the chaotic nature of software development is invaluable. Maestro not only embraces that chaos, but transforms it into a streamlined experience for developers. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just stepping into the world of UI testing, there's something about Maestro that could change your game for the better. Thanks for tuning into Tech Talk. Don't forget to check out Maestro, and if you find it useful, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, every challenge in tech is just a stepping stone to the next big innovation. Catch you later.